If I told you that most men are quietly making mistakes that could shorten the life and performance of their penis, would you want to know what they are? Because here is the truth. Problems like erectile dysfunction, curvature, and even cancer often start years before you notice a single symptom. The good news is, by making a few simple changes starting today, you can protect your sexual health for the rest of your life. In this video, I will share 6 essential care steps every man should take to keep his penis healthy, functional, and reliable. And if you stay with me until the end, you will hear a bonus tip that most men have never considered, yet it can make a big difference. As a sexual health expert, my goal is to give you science-backed advice you can use right now. Let's begin. First, keep the penis active. Just like your muscles, brain, or heart, the penis is an organ that thrives with healthy blood flow and regular oxygen supply. If it is not stimulated over long periods, tissues can lose elasticity and blood vessels may not function as well. A healthy sexual life helps maintain this activity, but for those who are not sexually active, using medically approved tools like a vacuum erectile device or engaging in pelvic floor exercises can help stimulate blood flow. The goal is to avoid long-term disuse, which can gradually compromise natural function. Next, maintain proper hygiene. It may sound obvious, but it is one of the most overlooked aspects of men's health. Poor genital hygiene is a major risk factor for penile cancer in many countries. Washing daily with a mild, fragrance-free soap, rinsing thoroughly, and drying the area well helps prevent bacterial buildup, inflammation, and unpleasant odors. It is also important to wash after sexual activity, as the vaginal environment has a different natural acidity compared to the penile environment. If left uncleaned, this imbalance can disturb the local microbiome, increasing the risk of infections. Coming in at number 3, avoid sexual activity with a partial erection. When the penis is not fully erect, the tissue is more vulnerable to repeated small injuries during penetration. These micro tears over time can form scar tissue, which may lead to curvature, a condition called Peyronie's disease. It might not happen overnight, but years of microtrauma can have lasting effects, so it is worth being mindful. Number 4, limit excessive pornography use. While moderate use may not cause harm, excessive viewing can reduce sensitivity and make it more difficult to respond to real-life stimulation. This happens because the brain adapts to the constant novelty and intensity of pornography, lowering its natural arousal response. Over time, this can affect performance and satisfaction during partner intimacy. If you notice you need more and more visual stimulation to become aroused, it may be time to take a step back. Number 5, prioritize healthy lifestyle habits. Your sexual health is deeply connected to your overall physical and mental health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins supports hormone production and vascular health. Staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and getting quality sleep are all vital. Alcohol in moderation is fine, but excessive intake and smoking are strongly linked to erectile dysfunction and Peyronie's disease because they damage blood vessels. Think of every healthy habit as an investment in your performance and confidence. Number 6, the one many men overlook, is to regularly check for changes. Once a month, take a moment to examine the skin, shape, and sensitivity of your penis. Look for unusual lumps, persistent redness, sores, or changes in curvature. Early detection of problems like sexually transmitted infections, skin conditions, or even early-stage cancer can make treatment faster, simpler, and far more effective. Think of it like checking the oil in your car. Small changes caught early can prevent big problems later. Whenever possible, sleep without underwear or wear very loose-fitting underwear at night. During sleep, men experience several natural erections, and tight clothing can compress the penis during these moments, potentially causing minor injuries. Over time, these injuries may lead to scar tissue or curvature. Allowing space and comfort during sleep supports natural nighttime erections and promotes healthy blood flow. These 6 steps are simple, but when practiced consistently, they protect one of the most important parts of your body and your confidence as a man. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which of these habits are you already practicing and which one will you start today. Remember to subscribe, Share this with someone who could benefit, and press the bell icon so you do not miss my future videos on men's health.